Hello all, welcome again for another amazing bed transformation video, and welcome back again to this channel, All Things With Us. In this video I'm going to be transforming this 5x6 bed into a more modern design. So I'm going to be doing the whole process, and I'm going to be showing you clips after clip on how I'm going to be transforming this bed in this video today. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos and liking them. I really do appreciate your continued support. So I'm going to be starting this, and let's start the video. So welcome again. So we are going to be doing a lot of modification in this bed today. As you can see, I've already disassembled the bed, removed the headboard that was put there, as you have seen in the first clip of the video. They tried to do a transformation, but it wasn't that much good. So we went there to do a fully bed transformation, and that is what we are going to be doing. And we did a lot of cuttings, a lot of modifications, so that we can get a workable service and do the bed transformation. Anyway, if this is the kind of content that you do like, kindly consider subscribing to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. Subscribe to our channel, share our content with your friends and family, and I will really appreciate that kind of support. Anyway, the design that the client wanted was a tufted bed with boxes, and that is what we are going to be doing. This is normally a one-day job. We normally do it within a day at the client's home, so we are mobile. In short, we go to your place and do the transformation for you. And if you want more details about this bed transformation, you can just comment on the video and I will get back to you. Anyway, I'm going to be leaving you at this. Enjoy the video, watch till the end. Don't forget to like it, commenting on it and sharing, and I will see you in my next videos.